mud runs deep. A goose yelled, hey! No time for sleep. He flapped his wings with a wild design and shouted, everybody form a conga line. Honk, honk, step, step, wiggle to the side, do the honky tonk conga. It's a barnyard ride. Kick, kick, shake, shake, slide on down the vine. Join the silly, feathery honky tonk conga line. The chicken joined in with a cluck, cluck, clack. Then Elroy the goat tried to hop on the track. He tripped on a bucket but recovered just fine. Now he's leading the rear of the conga line.
Left foot,
Left foot,
right foot,
right foot,
shake your tail,
shake your tail,
honky tonk,
honky tonk,
all the way down the trail.
honk, honk, step, step, wiggle to the side, do the honky tonk conga. It's a barnyard ride. Kick, kick, shake, shake, slide on down the vine. Join the silly, feathery honky tonk conga line. The ducks got loud with a quack, 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 and a turkey joined in with a gobble of tat. Tiny Tim hopped up with a peep trill shine, perched on the shoulders as they danced in light. Round the trough, past the hay, through the barn doors.
Hey, 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 hey.
Up the hill in a wind will he climb. There a honking, tonking conga stomping line. Honk, honk, step, step, wiggle to the side, do the honky tonk conga. It's a barnyard ride. Kick, kick, shake, shake, slide on down the vine. Join the silly, feathery honky tonk conga line. If you hear Honk stomping in a